got our head here. We put these blocks on here so we can do our ears. And we're going to use a 1-inch screw to screw this on. And we'll also add some glue so it doesn't rotate on us if it gets loose. So we're going to put that where we want it to go. Got our ear set. Now make sure you got it even there, and we'll let that dry. So we're going to do the other side. Again, we're going to use a 1-inch screw. Put some glue on here. Like I say, the glue will keep it from rotating on you, and the screw will hold it in better. And we marked where we wanted these to go. Good. Take that off. Now, so we inset our screws so when we seal this, we can cover these screw holes up. So we got that all done. Mouse works good. Got everything done back here. Last thing that we're going to put on will be our horns. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a final sanding first, and then we'll seal it because I've already got the horns totally done and sealed. So we'll put these on after we get this sealed and sanded. Because right now if I try to seal it and sand it with these up here, these are going to kind of be in the way. So we'll put these on after we get it sealed and sanded down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.